Call me again, drunk in your bed, driving home under the influence. You scared me to death, but I'm wasting my breath, 'cause you won't.
Hello my beautiful family. I hope everyone's doing well. In this video we're going to be doing a cleaning and decluttering video. It's going to be a late night routine. I'm going to show you guys what I do. It's very calming, very peaceful and therapeutic to me. I hope everyone's doing well. Again, don't forget to tune into the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll be here for more.
ATM, pray for my demons till I catch you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get wrong. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere, nigga, going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear the tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at myself when she can't leave me alone. Gossip, get messy, this ain't what we doing. Travel around the world, over the phone, dropping tears. I get my phone around the world. When you drunk, you tell me exactly how you feel. For the real one, exactly what it is. I'll say it 'cause you know that's why I want to hear. Yeah. I've been traveling around the world. Sit on my balcony and wonder how you feeling. I got a career that takes my time away from women. Call me again, drunk in your bed, driving home under the influence. You scared me to death, but I'm wasting my breath, 'cause you only listen to your fault. I don't relate to you, no I don't. I don't relate to you, no. I'd never treat me this shitty. You made me hate this city, no. And I don't talk shit about you on the internet. Never told anyone anything bad, 'cause that shit's embarrassing. You were my everything. All that you did was make me fucking sad. So don't waste the time I don't have. Oh, don't try to everything good. Always said you were misunderstood. Made all my moments your own. Just fucking leave me alone. Ashanti, chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, all over me. Take control of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I could handle you as just a friend. Oh, baby, I can't pretend. Oh, baby, I'm so far in. But I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh, baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Take control of me. I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
Without further ado, they'll be around the end of this video. Sorry I didn't get to record more. I think I ended up deleting or just forgot to record the rest. I don't know. I was putting up my clothes on hangers and things like that. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to tune in to the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I appreciate y'all's support. And don't forget to share with others. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see below. Until then, see you guys next time.